My best friend. His name is Melba. She is very wise woman, an exemplary woman. She is very kind, tender, fit woman like hers. She works as a psychologist. She is physically tall with black hair. His skin is good. She is naturally very intelligent. She is very genuine woman. She works quietly in his office. She easily develops the profession as the loves what she does. She easily commutes from his office to her house in her new car. She is passionate about going to the movie with her daughter. She also loves to travel the world, especially at the Christmas. She visits his parents who live in Spain. She is a very talented and brilliant woman. She is very kind to all the people she shares. She life has not been easy to become what she is now. She has worked very bravely. She has worked very hard. She is definitely a brave woman. She does not give up. She always achieves what she wants. I admire her too much. She has been an example for my life. She has taught me to be a woman with dreams and goals. I really love her. She is my sister.